Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Learn Online with EduBridge, and I would like to thank all of you for subscribing to our channel and for sharing our videos from time to time posted by our effective master trainers here at EduBridge. My name is Iban and I'm one of the master trainers here at EduBridge, and today I'm back with another video for all of you, my dear viewers. Today we are going to talk about synonyms, or what is a synonym. Okay, so this will be the topic for today, and I would request all of you to kindly stay till the end of this video so that you can gain all the wonderful insights that I have in this video of mine. Like I've mentioned, today's topic is about, we are going to learn about synonyms, or what is a synonym. Let's get learning. So whenever we talk about a synonym or synonyms, these are words or phrases that carries or have the same meaning. Okay, and suppose now when you talk about the English language, we have many words, okay, which are not the same, but they carry the same meaning. Yeah, for instance, if I have to say good or nice, yeah, in that way, that means if you are using synonyms, it makes you sound more professional, or should I say it makes you sound more smart. Yeah, you sound very smart, or you sound more smart whenever you are using synonyms instead of using any other word. Yeah, so this way you will be able to improve your vocabulary, and your vocabulary as well will be big, and you'll have a huge vocabulary where you will have lots of words where you can utilize. And today I will be showing you some synonyms and how do we utilize them. Let's get learning.
As we have discussed, guys, whenever we talk about synonym or synonyms, these are words or phrases that has or that contain the same meaning. So we have few examples here that I'd like to show you. Used, utilize, all, entire. Then we have words like can, you can use it as capable of, important, essential, famous, well-known, begin, commence, help, aid, leave, abandon, thankful, grateful, answer, reply.
As you can see, guys, we have many words where they carry or they have the same meaning, and you can use them whenever you are texting, whenever you are speaking, or wherever you're writing a letter to anybody or your friends, and you can get that professional touch and even sound more smart in front of people. So don't forget to make use of that video, and also don't forget to share that video with your friends and your family members. And also, guys, I would like to add here that if you can spare time and visit our website, which is www.edubridgeindia.com, and in our website, if you explore, you'll be able to see multiple courses which are related to communication, banking, IT as well. And if you're interested for a job, you can even explore the courses where we even have job options as well and placement assistance. Don't forget to visit there, and for sure I can assure you that you will like, and you will like all the offers that we are offering as EduBridge. On that note, please subscribe to our channel if you're new to our video, and yes, don't forget to share this video with your friends and your family members, and stay tuned to Learn Online with EduBridge for our next video. Thank you.